all the way to the bottom immediately and take them off.
No, don't eat my chicken! Up!
He landed on you.
Whee! Oh, where'd you go? There you are. Here. Okay. Onward. I almost said space chicken.
Not yet. Tomorrow. We are pretty high in the sky. We're close. It's almost a space chicken.
Shut up, Wesley.
Okay, let's petition that the Chozos are now space chickens.
Yes. Yes, please.
Okay.